channel, everyone. Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'll be doing a $5 thrift makeover on this chair that I got from Goodwill. This is my first thrift purchase and my first makeover for 2021. I'm so excited. This chair I saw at Goodwill and I thought it had great bones. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to see if I can freshen her up a little bit. So what I'll be doing is doing a replacement chair cover. I'm just going to replace the cover to the cushion. I'm not going to take the existing cover off. I'm going to leave that on, and I'm just going to replace the cover to the cushion. So I'm using some fabric I already had at the house. As a matter of fact, I think I thrifted this fabric, a couple of years ago. So I'm just going to use this fabric that I already had and some staples. And if you haven't upholstered a chair before, it's quite easy, especially these. It's just put a few staples on one side, pull the fabric very taut, and staple it on the opposite side and on the other two ends. Very easy. I'll enclose a video of me doing some other chairs that I upholstered very similar to this. So what I'll be using to finish off this chair is Americana Decor Chalky finish paint. And this is some great chalk paint. I like this. I did a test on this, I think last year. I'll include a video where I did a sample of Americana Decor. And I'll include a couple videos where I've used Americana Decor before. This chalk paint is really good, kind of thick, and I'm not mad at it because I like the thick chalk paint. So it's Americana Decor Chalky finish paint, and I got this from, I believe I got this from Lowe's. I have to double check my information. I'll put the information in the description box as to where I purchased this Americana Decor. So I'll be painting this chair with the chalk paint, and it's going on great. It's really taking it really well. Before I put this, before I started painting, I must say that I cleaned the chair. I wiped the chair down thoroughly. When I first brought it in the house, hubby was really going crazy when he first saw me bring this in the house. But I sprayed it with Lysol, and then I left it in the garage. So before I started painting, I wiped it down with a nice cleaner. I also sprayed it with some insect repellent too. I can't take any chances. So as you can see, the Americana Decor paint is really going on great, and I like that. I really like that. I think I ended up doing 3 coats of paint because I wanted to make sure it really took well. And it's really going on smoothly. I like this. And this Americana Decor, I believe, was like $10. Again, I'll leave more information in the description box about where I got this Americana Decor Chalky finish paint and the cost. Again, if you haven't seen my videos, I did a couple of videos where I compare chalk paints, and I'll definitely leave that in the iCards. So you can see this is the first coat of paint that I put on. It went on really great. I ended up, I think, using three coats, and you can see me replacing the cushion, which was so easy, guys, so easy. Don't sleep on Goodwill. You just need a chair. I like the chair. I like the bones of this chair. It was like really sturdy, that old stuff. and it was just a couple screws. I think it was 6 screws to get the cushion off. And it really just, once I figured out how to put it back on, which side was what, it really just popped right on. So in the end, I'm going to show you what the chair looked like before, and just do a side-by-side comparison of the final product. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I do thrift upcycles, and I like to paint with chalk paint and other paints, and just thrifting in general. So if you like that kind of content, by all means, join the fam. I hope everyone's doing great. For my returning friends, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I appreciate you. So here's a before of the chair, $5 from Goodwill. And here is the after of my thrift makeover. I hope it's coming across, but the fabric that I chose is blue and white. And you guys know I love blue and white, right? Thanks again for stopping by, guys. I appreciate you. My first thrift makeover for 2021. I love it.